Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our with 3D class. In our previous class, we made up to the sample line. We have here main road name alignment. Then there is the PGL, and this is their natural ground. We have profile for that alignment. Then we make corridor from this assembly. We make assembly, and then we made corridor in our previous class. Then we created corridor surface. After that, we created the simple line. So before created cross section, what will I do? I will delete this volume surface because we don't need this volume surface. This is I will select this the corridor. So I will leave this corridor, and this is the surface corridor. You should rename the surface, so if there are many, you will not face any difficulty when you are creating cross section. So let's draw cross section for this. What will we do? We will go to home tab. Then from the home tab, we will go to the section view. There are options. The first view is the first option is create multiple views. I will click on this. This the dialog box will appear. The general setting for this, if you have many alignment from here, you can select simple line group. I renamed this in previous video as a main road simple line group. The station range automatic from start to end. As you can in user specified, you can select from here for the specific station. Okay, section view name here for the section view you can rename, or you can describe your section from here. This is the offset cross section style utilities. There are many, so I will select the road section. Then next, this the section view style. If you go there, here this the section view style. I will select this one. So the next option is section placement. There are two options. One, setting on the paper size. Here there are many options. And the other one, drop as a whole. All section will be draw on one, only in a single sheet like this one. So this paper, and this is a whole one sheet. Normally we are printing in the paper, so we will select A1 paper and 1:1000. 1:1000 scale means your this scale of this drawing must match this one. So then this will appear. The section view will be good. We will check later when we will draw a section. Then you will see if the scale is bigger, the section will be bigger. The next option is offset ranges. You can already for the simple line, I selected -30 to right side 30 plus, and you can from here you can specify for all. It will be working for all. From use for all section, you can specify the width, the offset range from left side to right side. The next is elevation range. We have various elevation minimum. You can specify from here. There are options. You can choose one, but automatically is best for this cross section. The next option is under your cross section. There will be appear here the corridor view with style. Okay, the surface. There is the surface. Okay, I don't want to one main road corridor. Okay, this surface was our, so I will remove. Don't want to draw this the two surface, only one surface. Okay, so from here I will this if you uncheck from here, this will not appear here. The next option, Just for the existing ground, there is existing ground style. For the corridor, there is view added. For the surface, there is carpet finish uh, ground section. You can choose the other one also. The band below the cross section, there will be band, so it will show us the first. In the first, I need existing elevation, or leave it this. From after we will from here you can adjust the the band below the cross section, and after creating you can change this one. Okay, then create section view and click anywhere here. Now you can see the cross section, our cross section appear here. Okay, now this is the same as our assembly, as it was our assembly. It's according to our okay. The this the NGL and this our PGL. So if something missing, the datum line surface missing, so what will I do? I will right click and group option view, and from here this section you can check this one, because this will appear here. Now you will see the line for here. So if you want to add or remove any surface, it will appear here. So this the cross section here, you can see there. Now this section there is filling. There is also this fill area. So this also the fill area. So this was the cross section. Okay, if you want to um, remove this band and add new band with this cross section, because only existing ground is showing is a design level, it's not showing. So click on one of them and go to section view group property. From here, check, click the section view, and here you can see there change band set style. Go to here. Okay, the one this one, uh, if you can see, I will change the name of my surface from here. Okay, to finish ground level. From here, offset elevation must be from finish ground level, or you can take from NGL or finish ground level, what you want, but in both must be the same. First, we don't need layout. Okay, if the design level not showing, it's been from the properties. If you go to the here display, you will see there the major increment. They all are off. Turn on the visibility is turned off. So from here you must on the label. Okay, I will go to the property again. Here the existing ground is main road, this one. So the design level I will take file grade level is correct. Okay, if it is not appearing, delete all, and from here set the major and minor in elevation anyone. From here, because existing ground is this surface, and offset from here. Okay, click here, and now you will see same like the profile band. You can adjust it. If I increase from here, ah, if the size increases, it will not show clearly. Okay, now you can see the existing ground level and the proposed ground level from here. from the center. You can see that. Okay, if you can see here, the NGL is above and the PGL is below. So the NGL 35 667 for 35, and here from here, if you go to inside the bin, edit bin style, from here you can change the color. Go to inside the same process like by layer. If you want the blue color, change to blue the design, and the center design also. I will make video in detail for each of this label setting, how you will adjust your label setting, the center line also, this also, the center line, label is center line. So this label is from center line, so it will appear from the center line compose, and from here you must change the blue from here. Okay, now you can see the offset from the center line, offset on both the side. If you change in the one, the whole will be changed. Okay, if you change the scale, click on the this and it will adjust it like this. You can refresh here. How if you make some changes, the graph you can remove or you can add to this one. But the setting, for the setting for each of the detail on this cross section, I'm not now going in deep because the video will be more longer. It's take more time. So this for the only base for the, because these all videos are for the civil 3D basic. So in the first you will learn only the basic, then I will the next session I will make from the start the professional video regarding to the professional work. So up to here, hopefully you will practice on it. This is how you can create a cross section. Okay, in the next video, I will add table for this cut and fill quantity. We will add table. So this was today video. Okay, thank you.